All right, we're standing here, CETW, second day, San Francisco. I'm standing with Asad Jobanputra, who's from Esprida. He's going to be talking to us a little bit about their company and where they fit in the ecosystem of the industry, because they've got some new announcements coming out. So first of all, Asad, thank you so much for joining us. Great to talk to you. Could you tell us a little bit of a background behind Esprida and what you guys do?
Sure, yeah. So what Esprida does is we allow companies to remotely monitor, manage, and control their equipment, whether that's a digital sign, a kiosk, or embedded equipment, or embedded applications.
Sure, so that's pretty crucial because a lot of the things that kind of come into this play in this industry is making it all kind of come together. What are some of the new announcements here at the show?
So the one thing that we're really interested in and really excited about for the show is proof of play.
Okay.
There's a lot of companies, a lot of advertisers are saying, prove to me that my ad was playing. Prove to me what the impressions were. Prove to me that I'm getting my money's worth.
Yeah.
And a lot of the solutions out there show that yes, my ad was playing, but not necessarily that it was connected or the screen was on and so on. So we looked at that specific problem, and we have we've done three things to basically address that.
Okay.
The first thing that we did is we were able to basically monitor that machine. So in addition to just the software running, for indoor signs we can tell you whether the machine is on, the brightness of the screen, whether the screen is on or not, whether it's connected, etc. For outdoor signs, we can go further. We can tell you, the ambient temperature outdoors, whether the screen is overheating, whether the air conditioning or cooling systems are working inside the system. So it's a lot more embedded status information that these advertisers get this verification about the proof that their ads are playing. The second thing is we're working with companies like Pitney Bowes and working for an independent, auditable, trackable system to show that your data is real and hasn't been tampered with. So there's some specialized encryption technology that we're working with them to allow us to have this independent view. And the third thing that we're doing is we're allowing companies to that we work with. Operators have many different types of devices. So they have certain amounts of screens or hardware platforms where a certain portion of the screen is one particular hardware platform, another segment is totally different. The same thing with software. Our approach is we have a cloud-based platform that works across all the different devices. So from our cloud-based stuff, it'll work across many different types of solutions across a whole range of basically their entire network. And from a single cloud, you're able to basically connect, and you'll see which machines are working, which ones are not. And you'll be able to see the logging data and the real-time information about how the network is performing.
So it's all about making it work and making sure that it's working so the advertisers feel comfortable, they feel happy, and you can show them, yep, it's time for you to pay me my money. So listen, Asad, thank you so much for talking with us. Really nice.